husqwarna 235. I just get on the North Tool store. It's working just 1 year. On the second year it's totally garbage. I change here spring. This stuff broke, starting very bad. I'm cleaning carburetor, broken that. From this side broke that. And it's just, do you know, it's not commercial. It's just for my backyard. And just for this, I kind of like 10 minutes working near this, just stop it and have some happen. And 10 minutes I need supposed to be spent for start again. This is Husqvarna. Husqvarna brand totally junk. I don't know how Sweden people did it, but this is junk. Never buy model like this. Is 235. Thank you everyone. Bye.